Is Facebook muting some parts of your video? Here's how to beat the copyright system properly. Is this happening with background music or voiceovers? Let me know in the comments below. First, check the muted segments in Rights Manager. Edit out the first 10 seconds of video. Most auto detection triggers early. Layer original sound effects under music. Facebook's system ignores mixed audio. Pitch shift music slightly. 3% increment works. It keeps vibe while avoiding detection. Still flagged? Upload as a reel first. They have a different copyright threshold. Is it unmuted now or not? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.